Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture on grammar. In this lecture, as I told you in my last lecture, that we would devote some time to exercises so that it can make our concepts clear, more clear, you can say. So, in my last two lectures, I discussed compound sentences, how to make compound sentences, how to combine simple sentences into one compound sentence. So let us start. We have two simple sentences, and of these two simple sentences, we have to make one compound sentence. He does well. He is nervous at the start. Okay. यहाँ only opposite adversative अगर आपको याद हो तो जो 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 coordinating conjunctions हैं they are of four kinds. वो है cumulative, adversative, alternative and illative. Adversative means opposite, contrast. Nervous है but does well. So he does well. Only he is nervous at the start. You can also write like he is nervous at the start, yet he does well. Okay. The way was long, the wind was cold. Okay. So simple sentences and we can't do anything else but just combine them. So the way was long and the wind was cold. जो cumulative आया था, cumulative coordinating conjunction, I told you, just adds sentences. It is raining heavily. I will take an umbrella with me. Inference, illative, अगर आपको याद हो तो. It is raining heavily. Therefore, inference निकालते हैं. I will take an umbrella with me. The harvest truly is plenteous. The laborers are few. Opposite है. Harvest ज़्यादा है, फसल ज़्यादा है तो लेबर ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. कम है. So the harvest truly is plenteous, but the laborers are few. It was a stormy night. We ventured out. Opposite sentences हैं. Stormy night है, घर रुकना चाहिए, but we ventured out. So it was a stormy night, yet we ventured out. Okay, next. Football is a vigorous and healthy game. Everybody should play it. हाँ, इसलिए inference, football is a vigorous and healthy game. Therefore, everybody should play it. He is foolish. He is also obstinate. Not only but also, you can add, he is not only foolish but also obstinate. He is foolish and is obstinate also. ये भी लिख सकते हैं. And to से भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. He is foolish and obstinate too. Okay. I am in the right. You are in the wrong. Yes, opposite है. I am in the right. You are in the wrong. Opposite है. So I am in the right, but you are in the wrong. Next. We can travel by land, we can travel by water. Yes. So we can travel by land and we can travel by water also. We can not only travel by land but also by water. We can travel by land and by water too. The train was wrecked. No one was hurt. Opposite. Adversity. The train was wrecked, but no one was hurt. The paper is good. The binding is very bad. Yes. Opposite. The paper was good, is good, but the binding is very bad. We must hasten. The robbers will overtake us. Yes. We must hasten, or the robbers will overtake us. Okay. Alternative. The prince married the beautiful princess. They lived happily ever after. The prince married the beautiful princess and they lived happily ever after. Just combine the two sentences. Cumulative. The river is deep and swift. I am afraid to dive into it. Yes. The river is deep and swift. So I am afraid, inference, to dive into it. He was fined. He was sent to prison. Cumulative. He was not only fined, but also sent to prison. You may go to the theater. Ram may go to the theater. Yes. You may go to the theater. And Ram also may go. Both you and Ram may go to the theater. Bruce was lying on his bed. He looked up to the roof. He saw a spider. Lying on his bed. Bruce looked up to the roof and saw a spider. I cried out sadly. I beat my head and breast. I threw myself down on the ground. I cried out sadly, beat my head and breast, and threw myself down on the ground. Just add करना है cumulative. You may play hockey, you may play football, you may do either of the two. So you may play hockey or you may play football. And you must do either of the two. You may be wrong. Rashid may be wrong. You cannot both be right. Either you or Rashid is wrong. And you cannot both be right. I got up. I looked about everything. I could not perceive my companions. I got up and looked about everywhere, but I could not perceive my companions. So these are a few sentences which I tried to discuss with you people. In every sentence, हमें सेंटेंस का नेचर देखना है, सिर्फ ऐड करना है, ऑल्टरनेटिव है, एडवर्सेटिव है या इलेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस है, इलेटिव है, एंड देन वी कैन डिसाइड विच coordinating conjunction is to be used. So thank you, boys.